With the Squarespace app, you can edit your site from a mobile device. The Squarespace app is designed for customers already using Squarespace for their websites, but it doesn't support all of Squarespace's features. Some actions like adding certain types of pages or blocks will have to be done on a computer. To get started, open the app and follow the prompts to log into your account. Then choose a site to edit in the app. You can view and edit one site at a time. After selecting a site, you can explore the different tabs. Tap Home for suggested actions, areas you've edited most recently, and a basic traffic overview from Analytics. Tap the mail icon to review messages from Squarespace, or tap the plus icon for shortcuts. To view traffic and other key statistics for your site, tap Analytics. On iOS devices, you can tap Marketing to create marketing content for your brand. If you're on a business plan or hire with a store page enabled, you can tap Commerce to review your store's orders and edit inventory.
And lastly, tap the More tab to access and edit all the pages of your site. Edit the design of how your website displays on browsers and social media. Customize marketing settings and edit email campaigns. View and edit common site settings. Adjust your notification settings. Get support. Switch to a new site. Or log out. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.